Hey everyone, just showing off this new product I bought from my 8th Gen SI. It's from DC5 Creations. Looks pretty cool. Got about 5 feet of power wire, about a foot of ground wire, bracket for the battery tray. Looks nice. I'm about to paint it wrinkle black soon. So stay tuned for the next video how it's gonna look. Other than that, it looks nice. So once you remove the washer fluid bottle, there's gonna be 2 holes on top. One right there, the other one on the right. Just loosen up the subframe bolt a little bit to slide in the bracket and tighten it back up, and that's it. So this is how it looks with the battery tie down. Now with the battery terminals on, this is where I got my negative at. This is where I'm running my power at right now. I'm gonna zip tie it up later on, but for right now, this is how I got it. Sorry for the mess, but yeah, that's how I got it running up to right now. So this is how it looks with the bumper on. It looks real nice. No issues. A lot of room, as you can see. Other than that, it looks nice. Big thanks to DC5 Creations.